Doggo's more excited about the vet than we are on payday. Introversion knows no species, so no eye contact, please. Believe me, this pup might be the world's most stubborn patient. Give me my leash. Just let the dog know I'm feeling better already. Bye.
Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry.
Looks like someone found a second home. Doctor, can you be my dada?
He keeps getting stuck and he just stands there. He doesn't move.
This animal's social battery is at 0% for the appointment. Please insert the charger. Seems like someone's not a fan of the vet. He'll sing your ears off. Medicine? Didn't know I signed up for the fear factor.
Vamos, Hiro. Hiro, sale. Está firmado con la patita. Sale, hombre. Esto, al médico.
No vet today. Her feet are stuck to the car like Velcro.
Nope.
划开口子，我们去给它把里面清干净，然后再进行一个缝合，因为它肿块其实有点大。
If cuteness was a job, this puppy would be the CEO of Pet Hospital.
I just picked my dog up from the vet. She had dental work.
No doubt this dog is having a spiritual awakening after his checkup.
Okay? We're almost home, baby.
Puppy's like, stop coming at me, doc. I know what you're doing.
Roman. Hey. Roman. I'm sorry that we gotta go to the vet, buddy. But don't be mad at Mom.
This is proof that dogs can read. He ran as soon as he read the vet sign. It's a dog's life. Brave in the heart, weak in the knees. When your noisy customer gives you a rock concert, remember, soundproof yourself. We all know this doggo is the biggest fan of the vet. Oh well, and the Oscar goes to this furry patient.
Baby, it's okay.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour!
Doggo is so excited. His tail leads to where the most snacks are. Sign me up for shift swaps, please. I want to feel this puppy love too. Hey Mum, I may have many talents, but kangaroo cosplay is not one of them.
Sonny, no. Sonny, no. Sonny, no. Sonny, no. Sonny, no.
Who knew a car ride could cause such drastic mood swings?
I would like to make an appointment for Max.
She looks like someone just cancelled their Netflix subscription forever. To all the scaredy puppies, here's the post-vet glow-up you need. Don't be afraid. Bet this dog could teach us all a thing or two about relaxation.
Hooker, come to the car. Come on. Hooker, come on. Bro, he's not moving. Hooker, we have to go to the vet.
Gravity? Nah. This is an anti-vet resistance mode. Dog is now floor. Floor is dog. Is it just me, or does this pup sound like a sheep after hearing a vet? Bad thing.
Goodness. You hate being here? It's gonna be okay.
Can someone tell him the pet clinic isn't for making friends? It says, I'm not happy face. Feel the guilt yet? If only all work days were like this. This dog is living the dream. He's never heard of a vet, has he? This is definitely lost in translation.
Vámonos.
This pup must be a true champion, brave and focused on treats only.
You was probably walk around here with fleas fighting all over you. I don't care if you don't want to go. You go into the bed. You don't want to go? Marley, you nervous?
Hey, stop teasing. This furry boy fears the vet more than the boogeyman.
Uh-oh.
My emotional support human. Hug me tight.
He's like, oh. What happened?
Who needs a superhero when you have a great day? He's so cool. Ah, looks like someone found their perfect cuddle fit.
I'm very proud of how I look. Yes, I am high maintenance, but I think you got to be. And frankly, I enjoy it.
With reactions like these, vet visits are now comedy gold. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.